This video editing trick will make your YouTube video interesting. You need to be thinking about what type of emotion that I want to portray. Is this going to be an informative type video? Do I want the person to be sad, mad, glad, excited? Whatever the goal is, it is best portrayed when you add music to your video. Just imagine every time the beat hits, you change the scene or you change the frame. And that's the editing trick that I want to show you today. I want to show you how to edit with the beat. The best way to do it is to edit to the beat when it comes to specific points. And how you determine that depends on you. This is going to be a quick tutorial, very brief. I'm going to be using Adobe Premiere Pro. You could use any video editing software to do this trick. Just a quick video I did with my brother. He was just dancing. We was just having fun. Every time the beat hit, I'm gonna press M. The marker is just a symbol to remind me where to do my cutting. So as you could see, where I added auto markers, that's where I'm going to do my cutting. When you're editing your video, you don't want to be predictable. So that's why I randomly added it to certain parts of where the beat drop. I'm going to play it again. You're going to see the marker flash. Added our markers. Now I want to show you guys how the video look. The only thing I did to the video, I added a slow motion in the beginning and I did one cut. That's it. I only cut one time in the video. The first thing I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna cut the video. Everywhere I see the marker, I'm gonna start cutting. So now I did all my cutting. My next step, I'm gonna click in each of those individual clips and I'm gonna change the frame, meaning I'm gonna zoom in and zoom out just for it to look different. Now remember guys, just because I'm zooming in, it doesn't mean that you guys have to do that also. If you want to, you could add another scene or another part of the clip. Me, I just like to do it like that. I like to take my main clip, zoom in as much as I can, then zoom out, zoom in, zoom out. But sometimes I also like to change the scenes. You could do whatever you want, whatever looks best for you. Yeah. I don't know how you guys feel about that one, but I think that was better. I'm gonna do a little bit more cutting. Certain clips I'm gonna make black and white, and certain clips I'm gonna zoom in more. If you want to, you could turn some of those clips red, white. You could put effects on them. You could do whatever you want. I added a couple of black and white effects to some of the clips. I added a little bit of slow motion on there. Since I'm editing it to the beat, everything else I do, it just starts looking artistic. I think I'm gonna stop it there. If I wanted to, I could have made it look more crazy. I could have cut even more. Since this is a quick tutorial, I'm gonna stop it right there. If you have any questions at all, please leave it in the comments. If you're using another video editing software, it might kind of get confusing to how to do it, but just follow the same concept. Certain type of video editing softwares, you cannot add a marker to it. The most important thing is just for you to cut the video right when the beat drop. But make sure to subscribe to this channel. I have a lot of videos like this coming up. Download my cheat sheet. It has a lot of free websites that you can use to better create your videos. In this video right here, I talk about the 7 tips that you need to know when you're filming your YouTube videos. I already know you have a YouTube channel because that's why you're watching this video. So click on that video and I'll see you later.